This might be the best Dollar Tree video I've ever done. Pottery Barn, all brand new products. You have to see this. This is exactly what I came here for. Dollar Tree has MacKenzie child dishware dupes. These are absolutely beautiful and really mimicking that traditional checkered print. This is even cheaper than Walmart. They come in a pink and kind of this turquoise, and they have bowls, mugs, everything. I love it.
If you've seen MacKenzie Childs, when you know, their signature hand-painted check pattern is iconic, and to see this at Dollar Tree is so cool. Pedestal platters can run upwards of $200, but we can DIY it from Dollar Tree using super glue. I put some super glue on the bottom of a bowl, I set the back of the bowl on the back of a plate, and now I have an instant cake platter that I made for just $3. When I posted this on my Instagram, it immediately went viral.
They have these giant new glass containers. This is great for pancake mix out on your counter, your flour, your sugar.
Pottery Barn and Container Store would charge triple the price. I put my favorite pancake mix inside along with a scoop of exactly what you need. And my favorite hack is to take the recipe itself and then I tape it to the inside of the lid. And wait until you see this next idea.
They have these beautiful cutting boards. This is beautiful, and I don't think it has any like bunnies or anything on it, so you could use this all year long, not just for Easter. This is so pretty.
This is $7 at Dollar Tree, which compared to the exact dupe from Williams-Sonoma is so worth it.
I mean, this is thick, y'all. This is a nice piece.
I only do true luxury over here at Doitonadime. And speaking of true luxury, have you seen these touch control lamps? At $7, I was a little skeptical, but this beats Amazon and Walmart, and the gold is actually beautiful in real life. These are battery operated, they're LED lights, and when you set these on a table, for an Easter tablescape, you get moody elegance done on a dime. These are so worth it. Everything in this video is high-end, including
these tapestry runners are so beautiful. Now these are $5 each, but cross stitch is so trending right now. It is a forever quality piece. So what you can do is cut these down. I like to put mine inside a thrifted frame. You have instant art, instant decor, easy to change out for the seasons, and because there's like 2 bunnies on this, you actually get 2 per tapestry you buy. Make one for you, make one for a friend. Oh my goodness, blue and white is everywhere. Not only do they have beautiful blue and white dishes, they also have beautiful royal blue chargers.
I have more table ideas later in this video, but they have really stepped it up this year.
They also have these planters. This is stunning to me and so similar to what I'm seeing at Pottery Barn.
Blue and white is all the rage this year, and a planter is over $100 in other stores. You can get the look for less, literally from Dollar Tree.
But an even better find are these smaller planters. What I love about them is the weight on these. Now these are a few dollars each, but they're absolutely worth it. This is a brand new find at Dollar Tree.
It's my favorite when you're eyeing something and you can actually afford it. I think all DIY should be simple, including what you eat.
Maybe you were eyeing that beautiful pie on my DIY MacKenzie Childs plates. I took an amazing class on today's sponsor, Craftsy by Rachel Tufel,
called Cutting and Glazing Fresh Fruits. She has so many cake decorating classes on the platform.
It was so easy to learn, and the secret, y'all, is actually apple jelly. I love cookie decorating, I love baking, and I'm trying to learn more all the time. Craftsy is an online community and resource where millions of crafters, makers, and DIY enthusiasts find creative inspiration, advance their skills, and learn new ones along the way. Craftsy has more than 2,000 exciting classes in 20 popular categories like crochet, knitting, painting, photography, cake decorating, woodworking, and more.
And here's the best part. The first 1,000 of you watching this video who scan the QR code on screen or use the link in my description will get the first full year of Craftsy Premium for only $1.49. This offer valid for new members only.
I don't know about you, but that sounds like Dollar Tree prices to me. It's such a great platform that I've been using for years. I can't wait to hear how you get your creative on, and I've got more creative things to share with you.
I love this grass wallpaper covered frame. Grass wallpaper is trending everywhere right now. I think it's the new burlap, to be honest, but I really love this one, and the quality on this is awesome. You know how sometimes Dollar Tree frames can feel a little chintzy? This one does not. Just trust.
These are still $1.25. Buy this immediately, okay? It is worth every single penny. So good.
Over here, they have brand new vanity organizers. These are all still $1.25 each. These are giving Container Store. And I really like these mirrored trays. Both of these finds are incredible. Do not miss them.
Like if I just showed you this shot and you didn't know it was from Dollar Tree, would you think it was from there?
The pillows that I love so much are back, and they are so soft. Feel it, Kathy. They had these at Christmas time. Highly recommend these guys. They're $5. The Crafter's Square got these brand new wooden pegs. I love these because I think you could use these as little risers for a wood tray. I'm really excited to DIY with these.
This DIY is so good, but more on that in a minute. First, I have to talk about the kitchen items. They brought back these gorgeous lemon mason jars and all of the lemon dishware. I would love to know if you've purchased this in the past. I love it.
When you see these silicone lids, buy them. Okay, I feel like this is an infomercial. This is in no way sponsored by Dollar Tree. It's sponsored by Craftsy, okay? So what you do is you put this on top of your bowl like this. Now watch. Oh, and you can put this in your fridge and it's gonna keep everything like air sealed. It comes off really easily, but it grips to the top so you don't have to like worry about like wrapping it around a bowl. This is a cool product and I really like the color. This is honestly insane. They have OXO dupes now at Dollar Tree. Look, the OXO, you can push the top like this and it has airtight seals. This comes in a square and it also comes in a round. This is a great buy for $1.50.
The OXO brand is specifically sold at Williams-Sonoma and Container Store, and yes, these are a little smaller, but the fact that these are airtight and I think the seal is just as good as the name brand is awesome. These are perfect for snacks, in pantries, and even great for lunches.
When you're in the kitchen section, look for Gibson Home. They have 2 brand new lines at Dollar Tree. The first are these wooden handles along with silicone tops. This is a very high-end brand that mimics what you're gonna find at Williams-Sonoma. They also have metal versions, which are awesome. These are not to be missed, and all of this is still $1.25. Owen is gonna love this. They have a crustless sandwich maker, and this brand, they have a few items that should not be here, but actually are.
These crustless sandwich makers are $6 to $7 at Walmart. I could not believe I saw these here, and I was a little bit concerned, is the quality going to be good? And when I brought them home, I was blown away. And just as a reminder, you can make a DIY Uncrustable at home. You can put these in the freezer, and then when you pop these in your kids' lunches, they will be thawed by lunchtime. An easy Uncrustable. These turned out awesome. My kids have been loving it.
The drawer liners are extremely high quality and they have some brand new designs. I would love to know if you like these. I think they're super cute.
Another new product are these closet hanger clips. They go right on your velvet hangers, yes, mine are from Dollar Tree, to hold all your skirts. Would you use these?
This might be the best Dollar Tree video I've ever made. Like, I can't stop. This is gonna be a long video, but like every single thing is good, I promise, all right? They have these little straps here, so you can use this to organize your tools, your cords, storage straps. I'm gonna grab a couple of these for some of my corded items. They have a rafter square. Never clogs your drain again. This is awesome. They also have these corner cushions. So if you have little heads that are hitting tables or like corners of fireplaces, this is good. Or your head is hitting it. I don't know. I wouldn't want to speak for you. They have safety glasses. They have wood stain. That is so cool.
I told you I was not playing around, did I not? Dollar Tree has wood stain. They are bringing it back to so many stores near us. I got one of these wood rounds and I added some stain to it. And remember those little wooden pegs? Well, I took some rub and buff on these guys and I gave them a beautiful gold finish. This is a DIY that is truly foolproof, and you can use this for every season. I took some E6000 glue for long-term hold and my hot glue for short-term hold, and now I have a beautiful little riser. I'm going to take some Easter finds. Remember how I added these paper napkins to Dollar Tree candles? I also grabbed this egg from Dollar Tree and I added a bit of rub and buff just to give it some dimension and texture. And I think this would be really cool for Easter. I absolutely love how this turned out, and I would love to know what you think with the paper candle.
Dollar Tree is like the new Sephora and the new Ulta, and that is not exaggerating. They bought brand new dupes, nail polish dupes, which I was really impressed to see, and actually good colors. They have setting powder. They have oils that you're gonna save 5 times as much as you would at Ulta. And they even have an under eye bag reducer. These are battery operated, they vibrate, and they're only $1.25. This is a great score. Dollar Tree's hair essentials have also really stepped it up. This reminds me of items you're finding at Ulta. I love the hair clips, I love the hair bows, and I love the hair chopsticks.
The dupes are insane. This one would make a great gift idea, and they dropped a whole new line of body lotion. This is a Bath & Body Works dupe, and I will just say that Cocoa Rose is my favorite scent, but these have really smooth application and I really like them. They also have hand wipes too, which are great to keep on hand. But a brand new find are these Home Breeze room sprays. My personal favorite scent is amber and sandalwood. Not only is the packaging beautiful, but the smell and the throw is really great too. It's been really exciting to see Dollar Tree roll some of these higher end items out. And keep your eyes peeled for the Badgley Mishka rugs. They are back in stock. I want this entire video to be filled with ideas that you'll actually try of true high-end finds and luxury items. And don't forget to grab your premium membership for just $1.49 if you're the first 1,000 watching.
Craftsy will be linked down below. Don't forget to check out this exclusive offer, my beautiful friend. If nobody has told you today, guess what? You are enough. I'll catch you soon.